commissioned this piece. What do you guys think?
It's fabulous. It's perfect.
Thank you.
It's better than I ever could have imagined.
I'm so glad.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, you
Wonderful
did.
working with you as well.
Thank you. Oh, you guys were the best.
You did a really great job on this. Just one small thing. If you could just take that tail and
Okay.
just swirl it over 15, 20 degrees that way. Just have a sort of cut across.
Okay. Yep. So it just kind of like.
Yes, there's just a swing to it.
Okay. All right. Okay.
After that, we're good.
We're good. Okay. So I'll just tear that thing off.
That and